Namaskar Bondhura. Hi friends. My name is Shomparna and I want to start off by wishing you and your family a very happy, healthy and prosperous new year. Many thanks to all of you who have joined me on this journey of learning Bengali. A special thanks to Ravinder Singh Suriji. When my channel was completely new and there were almost no viewers, Ravinder Singh Suriji used to post very encouraging comments, because of which I kept making the videos. So thank you, and thanks to everyone else who have joined in later and are finding the content useful. On that note, I also wanted to clarify a few things about the lessons and how to navigate them. So, if you see, there are quite a few playlists on the channel, the major one being Learn Bengali. The videos in this particular playlist come numbered. If you are a complete beginner at Bengali, I would suggest you go through this playlist in the serial order. So the lessons, let's say when I designed lesson 1, I assumed you know nothing about Bengali. You have absolutely zero knowledge. So I designed the lesson from that perspective. But at lesson number 12, I will assume you have read and understood, and you remember what has been taught in lessons 1 to 11. So I add building blocks on the top of previous lessons, so you keep getting incrementally better at understanding the language. Um, so so for people who have no knowledge in Bengali, I would suggest you go through the list in serial order from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, like that. Of course, if you have some previous knowledge of Bengali, you are free to skip through the videos at your own discretion. uh, there are other playlists on the channel, like shorts or songs. Those are not in any order, they are standalone videos, so you are uh, free to watch through them in any order. The order doesn't matter there. Um, and yeah, so there were also couple of frequently asked questions through the comments, so I thought I'll address those as well. So one was whether I can make more videos. Um, now um, let me clarify that this channel is more like a hobby project for me. I am not a professional YouTuber. I do not earn any money through this, and you can also see the number of subscribers is not that high. So I do it more from a hobby perspective and less from a professional perspective. So I have to balance it with my other work, and it might look like I am giving only a 15-20 minute video per week, but to release that 20-minute video I have to put in about 8 to 10 hours of work in the background. So it's not like it's not only what it seems, but yeah, many of you might already know that. The second question which I got quite a few times was whether I have a there's some way to contact me. So my email ID is given in the about me, or the about section of the YouTube pages. You can drop me an email if you really need to contact me for some help. Other than that, I also respond to comments, so you can just put in a comment and I'll reply to that as well. I am also thinking if we should have some clarification connects, like if someone has some doubt or wanted to ask something in particular, we can have some live connects. I am not yet decided on the frequency or the format of it. So if you have some suggestions, please do share those suggestions in the comments and we can take it up from there. And finally, I am thinking of changing the name of the channel as well. So if you see a new name popping up, just don't be scared. It's the same channel and everything else will remain the same. Uh, so that's about it for this video. সবাইকে নতুন বছরের অনেক অনেক শুভেচ্ছা। সবাই ভালো থেকো, আবার দেখা হবে। Wishing everyone a very happy new year. Stay well and we will meet again soon.